Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got my gallery in the building with another unique watch face. Now, if you're looking for something different, something that's going to stand out, this is going to be the watch face that you want to download and put on your wrist. But with that being said, let's go ahead and let's check it out. Again, this is by my gallery. I love the work she does with these unique analog watch faces. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same design. It is going to be dimmed down in the black theme mode. The hands are going to help to bring it out as well in that mode. It's going to look really nice. And once the watch face is on, you do get an analog look, which is nice. You're going to get the days of the week. You're going to get your date up at the top. Get an animation going on right there as well. Animated seconds. Going to get your battery percentage over there in that corner. This is definitely not a bad look. But you're also going to get 10 color themes you can change to. Double tap and you can cycle through all the many colors and themes that this watch face has to offer. Now this looks really nice as well. Dark theme mode. There you go. And just cycle through till you get to the one you like. And voila, there you go. I thought you did a really good job with this watch face, but at the end of the day, people, it is all about you and what you think. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face, and if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, and by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.